So I'm going to be answering Waec 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 53 on that test of orals, section 7. The instruction is, from the words lettered A to D, choose the word that contains the sound represented by the given phonetic symbol. Now the given phonetic symbol is ow. Option A, costume. B, council. C, badge. D, aura. So I will transcribe each of the options so we can pick out our answer. So option A, costume, is transcribed this way. So this is costume. Council, option B, is transcribed this way. Council. Council. Option C is badge. So this is J, consonant sound. And then option D, you have aura. So you have long O sound. Then aura. So from the options, we see that option B, council, contains the same sound as given. So the correct answer is option B, which is council. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos, for more past questions and answers. Thank you.